Well, so today is a very special and different video. But first, meet my friend Tanushree.
Hello.
So she's my school friend, and the reason she's here today is because I'm trying to learn Kathak. So basically, it was one of my resolutions for the new year that I really wanted to learn Kathak. And I've seen her perform beautifully since class 1 in all the school functions. So I texted her कि hey, कोई classes है या कुछ. So फिर मैंने सोचा कि यार ऐसी video क्यों नहीं करते where she comes and teaches me a simple routine and I try to perform it tomorrow. So we'll see how that goes.
No, I'm sure that she's going to do an amazing job. I'm sure of it.
So if you guys enjoy this video, please subscribe, like, and just pray for me because I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing. So okay, let's go.
Sejal, today we're going to do a semi-classical choreography, which is going to be based on a Bollywood song. So like we decided on Mohe Rang Do Lal. And why I'm saying it's semi-classical, because like Kathak is an Indian classical dance form. So we're going to use elements of that and incorporate it in a more, in a more informal manner. And would you like to know a little bit about the dance form?
Yeah, of course, because I don't have any experience. I've only learned contemporary and jazz, as you know, because we used to do these like collaborative dance routines in school. She would bring the Indian. They're very embarrassing to look back, and we would bring the jazz. So yeah, I would love to know.
So that's great. So I'll tell you a little bit about the history. So Kathak, the word Kathak came from the word Katha, which means telling a story, like Katha is a story. And a Kathakar, which today, you can regard him or her to be a Kathak dancer, was known as the person who tells the story. So, that's how the word Kathak arrived, with its origin being from Kathak. And talking a little bit about its, progress through the stages, initially it used to be performed in temples with the spirit of bhakti or devotion. And later in the Mughal eras, it came to be seen as a form of shringar or beauty or entertainment. And today, what form it's being performed in. So other than that, I'd say that Kathak or any other classical dance form is primarily divided into 3 distinct forms. One is Nritya, which is the technical form of a dance form. Second is Natya, which is the emotional or the dramatic or the thematic portrayal of a dance form. And the third is Nritya, where both of them come together. So guys, in today's choreography, we'll try to incorporate little bits of all of these 3 elements, and let's see how it goes. Do some warm up before doing that?
Huh.
Right, so you can do whatever you want.
So we were also in the basketball team together. हमने बहुत सारी चीजें करी हैं लाइफ में. Yeah, और तनुश्री मुझे रोज पीटती थी on basketball. और ये वाला हाथ?
This again goes feature, very naturally. कुछ orientation आगे की तरफ रखो, हाथ इस तरफ.
Okay.
Right. To go mohe, just a diagonal. Again, like I said, it's a connecting movement. बस ये इधर से आके मोहे. What does this ऐसे? मोहे मतलब मैं. So it's like मोहे. Straight. Then 1, 2,
Okay. हाँ. यार, so पता है my feedback अभी तक is just that सही है, like when you see a movie or when you're trying to imitate a dance, it's very different. Like तब सब flow में हो जाता है, but when I learned the actual techniques, it's like you get tired really fast and like every head, every this.
I think the thing is that the choreography is not tough in terms of the movement. The thing is you're used to a certain form of vocabulary. You're used to jazz or you're used to a certain form of contemporary. So, तुम्हारा mentally, like for me, it's probably a little bit physically taxing, but it's not mentally taxing because this comes naturally to me because I've spent years doing it.
Yeah, exactly. It's very mentally taxing to me because every hand movement that I remember doing this way, I'm like, no, I have to do it this way. So. I've been trying to practice the last full hour, watching the video over and over again, and because I'm a little stressed that I don't want to look stupid tomorrow. At least even if I don't have the proper technique right, I should just remember the steps and enjoy myself. So yeah. अरे तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? So मैंने पूरी रात भर रिहर्सल करी है.
हाँ लग रहा है डांस
ओह थैंक यू. बहुत मेहनत करी मैंने 100 बार, जैसे तुमने कहा था 2000, तो सुबह उठ के मैंने 500 बार और रिहर्स किए.
2,500 times.
Yes.
She's been rehearsing. Yeah.
Well, वैसे तो हो गया है. I think बस लास्ट बार कर लेते हैं. So you can like clean up my movements.
Right, just the technical part. Like
Yeah.
choreography, you remember, right?
Yeah.
The
पूरा.
sequence and stuff. ठीक है. We work on that. So, Sejal, how's your experience learning a Kathak-based choreography for the first time?
It was really fun. I'm actually really happy that I picked at least this choreography in one day.
Yeah, you did, yeah.
And I'm really happy, and this is the most fun dance video I've ever done, because after doing it 5-6 times, I was really enjoying myself in the end performance, and wasn't really tiring for me, and I just was enjoying a lot. And now I'm always going to be sitting like this.
You know, Nazakat and all.
Hi.
Okay.
But yeah, it was really fun. I had a lot of fun. Thanks for coming.
No, it was a lot of fun for me also, shooting with you. A very different experience altogether. And I'm so glad that you enjoyed learning, classical-based choreo. I mean, I hope you take up other forms also in the future.
I think I'll join Kathak classes for sure.
That's one up for Indian classical dance. Yeah.
Well, that was it, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Please. Okay, we have to hit 1.5 million subscribers like now. Kal tak hit karne, okay? So please subscribe.
Yeah. Please subscribe. Yeah.